Have you ever felt like there just aren't enough hours in the day? Between work, family, personal goals, and unexpected events, it can seem impossible to fit everything in. Most of us struggle with balancing our responsibilities and desires, often feeling overwhelmed or guilty for not doing enough. But what if I told you that making time for everything isn't about cramming more into your day, but about making smarter choices with the time you have? In this video, we'll explore practical strategies to help you master your schedule, prioritize what matters, and finally, feel in control of your time. The first step to making time for everything is understanding your true priorities. Not all tasks are created equal, and some things matter more than others. Take a moment to reflect on what's most important in your life right now. Is it advancing your career, spending quality time with loved ones, or focusing on your health? By identifying your top priorities, you can start to allocate your time more intentionally, ensuring that the things that matter most always have a place in your schedule. Planning is a powerful tool for making the most of your time. When you plan ahead, you're less likely to waste time on unimportant tasks or get sidetracked by distractions. Start by setting aside a few minutes each day or week to map out your schedule. Use a planner, calendar app, or even a simple to-do list to organize your tasks. By visualizing your commitments, you can spot potential conflicts and make adjustments before they become problems. It's easy to get ambitious and overload your schedule with too many goals. However, setting realistic and achievable goals is crucial for long-term success. Break down big projects into smaller, manageable tasks, and set deadlines that are challenging but attainable. This approach not only keeps you motivated, but also prevents burnout. Remember, it's better to make steady progress than to aim for perfection and end up overwhelmed. One effective method for managing your time is time blocking. This technique involves dividing your day into blocks of time, each dedicated to a specific task or activity. For example, you might reserve mornings for focused work, afternoons for meetings, and evenings for family or relaxation. By assigning tasks to specific time slots, you reduce the risk of multitasking and increase your productivity. Distractions are one of the biggest obstacles to effective time management. Whether it's your phone, social media, or constant interruptions, these distractions can eat up valuable time. To make room for what matters, identify your main sources of distraction and take steps to minimize them. This might mean turning off notifications, setting boundaries with others, or creating a dedicated workspace. The less distracted you are, the more you can accomplish in less time. One of the most powerful ways to make time for everything is learning to say no. It's tempting to agree to every request or invitation, but overcommitting can quickly lead to stress and exhaustion. Practice politely declining tasks or events that don't align with your priorities. Remember, every time you say yes to something, you're saying no to something else. Protect your time by being selective about your commitments. You don't have to do everything yourself. Delegating tasks to others can free up your time for more important activities. Whether at work or at home, look for opportunities to share responsibilities. Trusting others not only lightens your load, but also empowers those around you. Remember, effective delegation is a key skill for anyone looking to make the most of their time. Batching is a technique where you group similar tasks together and complete them in one go. For example, instead of checking emails throughout the day, set aside a specific time to handle all your messages. This reduces the mental load of constantly switching between tasks and helps you work more efficiently. Try batching tasks like phone calls, errands, or administrative work to save time and energy. Technology can be both a blessing and a curse when it comes to time management. Use apps and tools that help you stay organized, set reminders, and track your progress. However, be mindful not to let technology become a distraction. Choose tools that genuinely support your goals and avoid those that waste your time. The right technology can streamline your workflow and help you make time for what matters. Establishing daily routines can make your life more predictable and less stressful. When certain tasks become habits, you spend less mental energy deciding what to do next. Morning and evening routines, for example, can set the tone for your day and help you wind down at night. By automating parts of your day, you free up time and mental space for more important decisions. Regularly reviewing your progress is essential for effective time management. Set aside time each week to reflect on what you've accomplished and where you can improve. This helps you stay accountable and make adjustments as needed. Celebrate your wins, learn from your setbacks, and keep moving forward. Consistent review ensures that you're always making time for what matters most. No matter how well you plan, life is full of surprises. Unexpected events can disrupt your schedule and throw you off balance. The key is to remain flexible and adapt as needed. Build some buffer time into your day to handle emergencies or last-minute changes. By expecting the unexpected, you'll be better prepared to handle whatever comes your way without feeling overwhelmed. Many people believe that multitasking is the key to getting more done. However, research shows that trying to do multiple things at once actually decreases productivity and increases mistakes. Focus on one task at a time, give it your full attention, and you'll complete it faster and with better results. Remember, quality always beats quantity when it comes to managing your time. A prioritization matrix is a simple tool to help you decide what to work on first. By categorizing tasks based on urgency and importance, you can focus on what truly matters. For example, tasks that are both urgent and important should be done immediately, while those that are neither can be postponed or eliminated. Using a matrix helps you make better decisions about where to invest your time. Managing your energy is just as important as managing your time. Pay attention to when you feel most alert and productive during the day, and schedule your most important tasks for those times. Take regular breaks to recharge, and don't forget to get enough sleep, eat well, and exercise. By aligning your schedule with your natural energy levels, you'll get more done in less time. The 2-minute rule is a simple but effective strategy. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it immediately. This prevents small tasks from piling up and cluttering your to-do list. Whether it's replying to an email, washing a dish, or making a quick call, handling these tasks right away keeps your schedule clear and your mind focused. Automation can save you a significant amount of time by handling repetitive tasks for you. Use technology to automate bill payments, reminders, or even grocery orders. At work, look for ways to streamline processes with templates or software. The more you automate, the more time you free up for higher value activities. Setting boundaries is essential for protecting your time. Let others know when you're available and when you're not. This might mean turning off your phone during focused work or setting specific hours for meetings. By communicating your boundaries clearly, you reduce interruptions and create more space for what matters. Taking care of yourself is not a luxury, it's a necessity. When you're well rested, healthy, and happy, you're more productive and better able to handle life's demands. Make time for activities that recharge you, whether it's exercise, hobbies, or simply relaxing. Remember, self-care isn't selfish, it's essential for making time for everything else. No one manages their time perfectly all the time. When things don't go as planned, don't be too hard on yourself. Instead, use setbacks as learning opportunities. Ask yourself what went wrong and how you can adjust your approach in the future. Over time, you'll develop better habits and become more effective at making time for everything. It's important to recognize and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Each time you successfully make time for something important, give yourself credit. Celebrating small wins keeps you motivated and reminds you that you're moving in the right direction. Over time, these small victories add up to big changes. Reflection is a powerful tool for personal growth. Take time regularly to think about how you're using your time and whether it aligns with your values and goals. Journaling or talking with a trusted friend can help you gain new insights and make better decisions moving forward. Reflection ensures that you're not just busy, but truly making time for what matters. Your environment plays a big role in how effectively you use your time. A cluttered or noisy space can make it hard to focus, while a clean and organized environment supports productivity. Take steps to create a workspace that helps you concentrate and feel motivated. Sometimes, small changes like better lighting or a comfortable chair can make a big difference. Accountability can help you stay on track with your time management goals. Share your plans with a friend, family member, or colleague who can check in on your progress. Knowing that someone else is aware of your commitments can motivate you to follow through. Accountability partners can also offer support and encouragement when you need it most. While routines and plans are important, it's equally important to stay flexible. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes you'll need to adjust your schedule or priorities. Embracing flexibility allows you to adapt without feeling frustrated or defeated. Remember, making time for everything is about balance, not rigidity. Focus is a superpower in today's distracted world. When you give your full attention to one task at a time, you work faster and produce better results. Practice techniques like the Pomodoro method, where you work in short, focused bursts, followed by breaks. Over time, you'll train your brain to concentrate more deeply and make the most of every minute. Feeling overwhelmed is a common experience when trying to juggle multiple responsibilities. When this happens, pause and take a deep breath. Break your tasks into smaller steps and tackle them one at a time. Sometimes, just getting started is enough to build momentum and reduce stress. Remember, you don't have to do everything at once. Sometimes, making time for everything means letting go of things that no longer serve you. This could be outdated goals, unnecessary commitments, or even negative habits. By clearing out what's not essential, you create more space for what truly matters. Letting go is not a sign of failure, but a step toward a more fulfilling and balanced life. Relationships are a vital part of a fulfilling life, but they often get pushed aside when we're busy. Make a conscious effort to schedule quality time with family and friends. Even short, meaningful interactions can strengthen your connections and boost your well-being. Remember, the people in your life deserve your time and attention. All work and no play can lead to burnout and decreased productivity. Don't forget to make time for fun and relaxation. Whether it's a hobby, a favorite activity, or just some downtime, enjoying yourself is essential for a balanced life. Fun activities recharge your energy and make it easier to tackle your responsibilities. Time management is a skill that you can always improve. Stay curious and open to new strategies, tools, and ideas. Experiment with different approaches and see what works best for you. Continuous improvement ensures that you're always moving forward and making better use of your time. Practicing gratitude can shift your perspective and help you appreciate how you spend your time. Take a moment each day to reflect on what you're thankful for. Gratitude can reduce stress, increase happiness, and remind you to make time for the things that bring you joy. While it's important to say no to things that don't align with your priorities, don't be afraid to say yes to new opportunities that excite you. Sometimes, making time for something new can lead to unexpected growth and happiness. Be open to change and willing to adjust your schedule when something truly worthwhile comes along. Rest is a crucial part of making time for everything. Without adequate rest, your productivity and well-being suffer. Make sure to schedule regular breaks throughout your day and prioritize getting enough sleep at night. Rest isn't wasted time, it's an investment in your ability to do more and enjoy life. If you're not sure where your time goes, try tracking it for a week. Write down everything you do and how long it takes. This can reveal patterns and help you identify areas where you can make changes. Tracking your time is the first step toward taking control of your schedule and making time for what matters. Your mindset plays a huge role in how you manage your time. Believe that you have control over your schedule and can make positive changes. A growth mindset encourages you to keep learning and improving, even when things get tough. With the right attitude, you can overcome obstacles and make time for everything that matters. Achieving work-life balance is a common goal, but it looks different for everyone. Find a balance that works for you by setting boundaries, prioritizing your health, and making time for relationships and hobbies. Remember, balance isn't about perfection. It's about making choices that support your well-being and happiness. The 80/20 principle, also known as the Pareto principle, states that 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts. Identify the tasks that have the biggest impact and focus your energy on them. By concentrating on high-value activities, you can achieve more with less effort and make time for everything else. Time abundance is the belief that you have enough time for what matters most. Instead of focusing on scarcity and what you lack, shift your mindset to abundance. This positive outlook can reduce stress and help you make better choices about how you spend your time. Remember, you have the power to create time for what's truly important. As your life changes, your schedule and priorities will too. Don't be afraid to make adjustments as needed. Regularly review your commitments and let go of anything that no longer fits. Flexibility and willingness to adapt are key to making time for everything, no matter what life throws your way. Living with intention means making conscious choices about how you spend your time. Instead of reacting to demands and distractions, decide in advance what's most important to you. Setting intentions each day helps you stay focused and ensures that your actions align with your values and goals. Procrastination is a common barrier to effective time management. To overcome it, break tasks into smaller steps, set clear deadlines, and reward yourself for making progress. Sometimes, just getting started is the hardest part. Remember, action creates momentum, and momentum leads to results. Motivation can fluctuate, but having clear goals and a strong sense of purpose can keep you going. Remind yourself why your goals matter and visualize the benefits of making time for them. Surround yourself with supportive people and inspiring reminders to stay on track, even when motivation dips. Ultimately, making time for everything is about living a life that feels meaningful and fulfilling to you. By prioritizing, planning, and staying flexible, you can create space for what matters most. Remember, you have the power to shape your days and design a life you love. Start today and watch how your relationship with time transforms.